So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel CodeSurfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we'll have a look on if-else statements, which are also known as conditional statements. The reason they are called conditional statements it is because they allow you to check the code on the basis of your conditions. So for example, let's assume like we are creating a program which will allow us to let us know that the student has cleared the exam. I mean, it is pass or fail. So let's assume it is a 50 marks exam and the student has obtained, uh, if the marks are more than 20, then it is gonna pass, or else it would be fail. So this is what we will do using this if else statements. So let's get started. So for that, let's just see the structure, how the if else statement is written. So for example, we have to write here if, and there will be parenthesis here in which there will be the condition, and then after there will be curly braces out here, and out of that curly braces there will be else statement. So what this will do, for example, here we'll write that this condition, that is if the marks is more than 20, then pass the student or else fail. So if the condition is satisfied here, if it is true, then it will run this program, this set of program, that is I would say here pass, or else it will be directly when going to the else statement, which it will show here fail. And that's all for the if else statement. You can play around with this if else statements, that is nested if and all those stuff. We'll look into the further videos. So let's quickly just have a look on this one, how we'll write this program. So I'll just get rid of these things now, and this as well, I would say. So here we go. Let's get integer marks. Here we will store the marks of the student. For example, let's take the input from the student itself only. So here we'll use cout statement with this and this. Right. Enter your marks. Here we'll do end line, and semicolon. Here we'll do cin, which will get the marks in here, and that's all. So what we'll do here is if, and the condition is if the marks are greater than 20, then the student is passed. So here we'll do one more cout statement, which will show here pass, or else directly here we'll write down and go into the else statement using the cout to it you are failed, go and study hard. So this is how this if else statement works. This is a very basic program. We'll look up some other things in here. So if the marks are greater than 20, then the student is passed, or else he is fail. So let's run the program to see what we are getting here. So I okay, see out, and you are saying there is an error here. Oh, so we forgot this thing here, and let's run the program again. So I'm gonna enter my marks here. I'm a bright student, so I'll write down 50 out of 50. So here it's showing pass. What if we do 15? It sounds some bit similar. So here it's failed, so that means we are going in the right direction. So this is how the if else statement works. And there is one more thing you can use, that is known as else if statement. So else if statements gives you a bit more hands-on with these things. For example, if the marks are greater than 20 or less than 20, I would say here, let's change this a bit, sorry. Here I'll do the less than sign, and here I'll say fail, and that will use it else if with the marks less than 30. Okay, let's go for 40, and there will be a cout statement here, and this cout statement will say here pass, or else here it will say great. That means you have passed with the distinction. So this else if statements allows you to have one more condition in here, I would say. So let me just go back and align this stuff. So if the student is gonna fail, so it's below 20, so I'll write down again 15, and it is showing fail. If the marks is less than 40, that means between 20 to 40, so it will be pass. So let's run it again, and here I'm gonna write down 30, the middle number. Okay, and it's showing great here, which it should not, because here I have done this mistake of this greater than symbol. It should be here less than, and let's go for it again with the 30 marks, and it is showing pass. And now if I go for the marks above 40, it will allow me to get the grade, that is 45. And here we have got the grade. So that means you have passed the test, that you have learned if else statement and else if statements. So this was all for this video, and in next video we'll look for the conditional operators and the logical operators. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.